Okay, wait, don't buy Groove.cm just yet. I want you to know about a few things about their free plan and their lifetime plan so that you don't waste money and also so that you don't lose out on a massive deal. In this video, I'm breaking down three important things that I think you should know about Groove.cm's free and lifetime deals. What's really included in Groove.cm's free plan, what Groove.cm is not saying about their lifetime deal, and finally, who Groove.cm is for and who it's not for. Let's get into the video. So the first one is Groove's free plan is not what everyone thinks it is. We all know that unlimited and free forever and lifetime might have some hidden things behind it. While Groove is advertising a free plan for 1 year, it's not completely free, and of course, there are some limitations. Now, a lot of people are very excited about the fact that they can start and build their business on Groove for free for 1 entire year. But let's be real, it's not completely unlimited, and there are some restrictions to a free account with Groove. Here's what you really get. All right, so after you've gone to onlineteacherdo.com/groove, we've gotten connected, and you're going to click get that first year for free. Now, let me just highlight the only thing they've got on this page for the free account. Free for 1 full year. Pretty awesome, but let's look at what they include. You get 5 websites, pretty awesome, 5 funnels, 5 domains. You get website global headers and footers, which is great. You get mega menus. You get a drag and drop builder. You get pre-made blocks. You can sell digital products, trials, recurring pricing, dynamic pricing. You get a checkout builder and widget. You get to do affiliate management and join their affiliate program, which, by the way, you can promote Groove and become an affiliate as a free user. It's a different percentage. I believe it's 20% as a free user versus 40% if you're paid. Leaderboard widgets. You get listed in the marketplace for affiliate discovery. You get to use Groove Member, their drag and drop membership site platform. You get powerful analytics, blogging, video player, the e-commerce store, no platform fees on sales, videos via YouTube, social proof widgets, API access, profit acceleration, software, customized business roadmap. Okay, so basically that's what they are telling you on this page that you get completely free for 1 year. Now, I have created a free account because I wanted to see what was inside. Now, you notice that they didn't mention anything about Groove Mail. So, because I've been following what's going on and I've been sort of seeing what is involved in this offer, the original offer for Groove Mail to be able to do email marketing was unlimited contacts and unlimited sends for lifetime. Now, that was a promise that Groove made that just simply couldn't be fulfilled. So, I know that they are giving a very low tier of contacts. I believe it's 500 contacts with 15,000 sends per month for free. It doesn't mention that on the page, but just know that if you want to do email marketing with any sort of list size over 500, you are going to have to pay. Now, the price that I've seen that they're offering is $14.97 for up to 200,000 sends per month, which really is an incredible deal if you want to be able to do email marketing, which every business online should be doing. So you just need to know that going in. Now, if I click Groove Mail, I have everything available. I can send, broadcasts. I can set up sequences and things like that. But immediately, it's going to tell me here, your created senders don't have SMTP. So right now, Groove Mail does not work unless you connect it with an SMTP and pay their monthly fee, depending on how many contacts you actually have. Okay, so it's just good to be aware that right now they're developing Groove Mail 2.0. It isn't released yet, but it's coming very, very soon, and is being promised as one of the best mailing platforms that they're going to have compared to others in the industry. It's going to be world class. It also doesn't mention anything about support, so I just want to be upfront with you that the free account comes with 0 support. They are only providing support to the lifetime members, which really makes sense because they can't be draining their support energy on free account users and letting lifetime users, have to suffer because of that. So there is no support, but you will have access to Groove videos and Groove tutorials, and to be able to find their knowledge bank of information based on what you're trying to do. But with the free account, there is no support. But if you look here, I can go into Groove Pages. I can build websites and I can build landing pages, and they've got some really beautiful designs in here. If I click on New Site, you can see here that they've got complete sites with lots of templates, beautiful designs, very responsive, and there's just a lot inside of the page builder that you can do. So if I click on this one and I click Import Full Template, and I just call it Test and start building, you're going to see that you get the full designed website right here. You can go in, you can customize things. If you go over to Elements, you can see that Groove gives you buttons to use. They give you checkout forms you can use, countdown timers, and so much more. They also have pre-made blocks, direct response blocks. They've got modern blocks that they've made, and you can import all of these completely for free. So they've got some really nice ones here, fully optimized and ready to use different blocks. If you're looking for pricing blocks, they've got it all. Testimonial blocks, contact blocks, etc. The second point is Groove's lifetime upgrade for one price also has some very small hidden costs and some things that you should know about. Groove.cm is one of the only platforms, but not the only platform, offering lifetime, meaning you pay once and you never pay again. But in reality, let's look at what that actually means. Okay, so we're on the lifetime page, and as I said, lifetime does come with limitations. And one of the limitations is going to be with Groove Mail. Even for lifetime users, you're going to only be able to send up to 15,000 cents per month and have 500 contacts. So that's really important to know and to understand as you're going into purchasing this, because there will be that small fee per month, which really is still a fantastic deal. But unlimited doesn't always mean unlimited, right? There have to be some limitations, and I'll be upfront with you that with Groove Mail, that is going to be one of your limitations. With Groove 2.0 Mail, the lifetime deal is 500 free contacts, unlimited transactional emails, and 15,000 sends per month. You're going to get their premium email builder and all the fantastic functions that Groove Mail 2.0 is going to give you. So that's one of the catches that you should be aware of. The other one is that they have removed lifetime deals before, meaning that, they offered lifetime a few years ago when I purchased it, and then they went to monthly. I don't think that's the new direction that they're going into, but you should know that, it's being offered now, and the $400 off is for this 2-week period at the filming of this video. After that, it's going to go back up to $17.97 for a lifetime with everything included. And, you can read that page for more details about that. If you think about it, platforms like ClickFunnels and Kartra, they're going to charge you $99 per month, all the way up to $297 per month for their all-in-one capabilities. Groove's lifetime deal is a one-time payment that, if you do the math, will save you thousands in the long run. My advice is, if you're thinking about getting Groove, if you think this is a good fit for you and your business, definitely now is the time before they switch, maybe to monthly, or you might lose out on this special of $13.97 for a lifetime. And point number 3 is Groove.cm may not be for everyone. Let's look at who it's for and who it's not for. So why would Groove.cm not be for everyone? Well, from my experience and being a user on the platform for almost 4 years, I would say if you want something that is like ready to go, plug and play, and doesn't require a learning curve, then Groove might not be for you. There certainly is a learning curve, like there are for all-in-one platforms. You're not going to just go in there and build out your systems and start making money right away. There's a learning curve, but Groove offers training for that. And there's lots of great things to come as well with their new direction. Also, if you're an agency, I would speak to people who are running agencies that Right now, I'm not sure that Groove.cm is the best option for you. There certainly are other ones out there. You certainly can run your agency on Groove, but for some of the advanced uh, email marketing, tagging, and sequencing and automations that you might want. Right now, I'm not seeing that those capabilities with Groove, but they're definitely making promises about things to come that look really, really promising. But at the filming of this video, Groove may not be for you if you fall into that category. And also, if you're just wanting to build out one simple sales funnel, there certainly are cheaper options out there. You can build one simple sales funnel for free for 1 year with Groove. But after that 1 year, you are going to have to either upgrade to lifetime or join their monthly plan. So for one simple sales funnel, then I can say that there are cheaper options out there. Now, who should get Groove? I would say if you're a course creator, you're a coach, you're an online business owner, you're looking for everything under one roof, Groove has it all, and they're just becoming better and better every day. If you want an all in one funnel builder, a website builder, you want to do email marketing, host courses and memberships, Groove can do that for you. And if you love the idea of a lifetime deal instead of monthly fees, then hands down, Groove.cm is a great option. As I said, I've been using it for 4 years now. Has it been perfect? Absolutely not. Is it getting better? Absolutely. I'm very optimistic about their future. And I think that their deal right now of $13.97 for lifetime is incredible. You're going to save on monthly fees. You're going to get support. You're going to get training. You're going to get all the apps that you need under one roof to be able to build your business. So now you know a little bit more about the truth of Groove.cm, who it's for, who it's not for, why you might want to upgrade, and the truth behind the free plan and the lifetime plan. If you feel that Groove.cm is a good fit for you, then go ahead and grab the free account at onlineteacherdude.com/groove. You'll also be able to find that link below in the description of this video. I really just wanted to bring you some of the truth behind Groove.cm, some of the limitations behind the free and the lifetime plan, why you should act fast now, and whether or not it's a good fit for you. Comment below if you've got any questions, and if you like this video and want to see more, please hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.